Can you see the screen, Aleph and Afia? Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So last class we were discussing that if we are having one equation, for example, our equation is 2x minus 5y is equal to 20. Okay, we were writing it in a standard form. And let me help you recalling what was the standard form of linear equation in two variable. It was ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now I have to write the given example in that format, just in that format. So what we were doing, we were writing 2x, we were writing minus 5y, we were taking this 20 to this side, because in that format, okay, 0, we must have 0 on one side. Okay, in RHS we always maintain 0. Okay, so 20 will be taking on this side, it will be minus 20. Now if you are thinking that why we are keeping the numbers negative, because in the formula, okay, a b c, these are positive. So we were also discussing that ABC is representing just numbers. Okay, number system chapter already you have done. You understand a number can be positive, can be negative. So we are keeping, if even if it is negative, positive, whatever is there, we are keeping it as it is. And now we are saying our A is positive 2, our B is negative 5, and our C is negative 20. Okay, by mistake also we will not say that our A is 2x. It is just 2. Why? Because A is the coefficient of x. Whatever is multiplied with x, that is A. Whatever is multiplied with y, that is B. And whatever is multiplied with, okay, whatever is without any x and y, that is our constant, right? Right?
Ma'am.
Okay, we have already discussed this part in the last class. Let me take few more example which we have already done. Okay, just a review and then we will be proceeding. So we also have encountered this type of question that 5x is here and then just 20 is there on the other side. Okay, so what we were doing, we were taking 5x as it is. Okay, again the instruction is same. Okay, same instruction we are having, that write the given equation in a standard form of linear equation in two variable. Yes, Khadija, we are just having a recap of the previous concept, okay, which we have already covered in the last class. After doing this one, we will be proceeding from here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we were taking 5x as it is, and then again we have to maintain 0 on RHS. So we were taking 20 on this side and it became 5x minus 20. Now it's time to write ABC, but we realize y term is not there. Okay, we realize that y term is not there in our equation, and we also understand that 2, okay, for example 2 and 2 plus 0 is the same thing. Okay, 2 and 2 plus 0 is the same thing. We can write 2 as a 2 plus 0. Okay, we are not doing any changes. We can also write this 2 plus 0 as a 2 plus 0 into y. Still it is just 2. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if we understand that logic, then we can write over here as 5x as it is. Y term is not there, so we can write plus 0 into y. This is not creating, okay, this is not making any difference. Minus 20 I am copy pasting as it is equals to 0. Now again the same question. Yes, Aleph, can you tell me what is A?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Yeah, I said, can you tell me what is A, what is B, what is C?
A is 5,
Hmm.
B is 0,
Yeah,
and C is 20,
plus 20 or minus 20?
minus 20.
Perfect. Okay, so this is how we were writing. First, we were just arranging the equation and then we were writing A, B, C. Okay, we also have encountered this type of question. This type of question that 35 is equals to 2y. Okay, so I said to you in the last class that we can also write it as a 2y is equals to 35. These two are same thing. Okay, we are taking everything from the right, we are just keeping it on the left, and everything from the left keeping it on the right. It's exactly same thing we are having. Either you do this way, or what you can do, you can take this 2y to this side and it will be minus 2y is equals to 0. Okay, you can also write it this way, that here you are having minus 2y, here you are having plus 35 is equals to 0. Now you realize that x term is not present over here. So let's write x term. How? We can write 0 into x, and then minus 2y I will write as it is, and then plus 35 I will write as it is equals to 0. Getting it, Aleph, Afia, and Khatija?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what is A, what is B, what is C? Afia.
In this case, it is going to be 0, and
Yep.
B is going to be 2, and C is going to be 35.
Perfect. Okay, so this is how every time we were first arranging it and then we were writing the A, B, C. A was the coefficient of X, B is the coefficient of Y, and C is the constant term which is without any X and Y. Okay, suppose I'm making one and our example looks like this, that is Cx, okay, plus dy plus r plus s is equals to 0. It's already in a standard form. Can you see that? Can you see that? It's already in a standard form. Now again, the same question I'm going to ask the next part. If it is in a standard form, can you tell me what is A, what is B, what is C? A is the coefficient of X, that is C over here. B is the coefficient of Y, that is D over here. And C is everything which is without X and Y, that is this all. Can we say that? Are you getting it? Aleph, Afia, and Khadija?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
whatever is multiplied with X, be it whatever, a negative number, a positive number, or maybe an alphabet. This alphabet is trying to show you it's just any real number. Okay, C is any real number. So we will be saying, okay, we just have to declare ABC. We will say whatever is multiplied with X, that is A. Whatever is multiplied with Y, that is B. And all the term which is without any X and Y, these all are C. Okay. So till here we have discussed in the last class. Now today we are going to discuss the solution of linear equation in two variable. Okay, suppose we are having x plus y is equals to 10. Okay, just an example. This is linear equation in two variable, right? Yes, it is not in a standard form, but this is linear equation in two variable. Yes or no? Aleph, Afia, and Khadija?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is linear equation in two variable. Now if I will ask you that what are possible x and y value, which when you will put in the left hand side, automatically you will end up getting the RHS. What can be taken as a x, what can be taken as a y? So for example, can we take x as a 5 and y as a 5 randomly? I'm telling you randomly. Okay, in my mind just click that we can take x as a 5, we can take y as a 5, and when we will add them, yes, we are going to get whatever is there in RHS. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is x5 y5. This is one of the possible answer for this linear equation. Okay, let's try finding another possible answer. Again, I am writing the same equation, x plus y is equals to 10. And again, I will tell you, okay, can we say x can be 0 and y can be 10? Can we say? Think about it. If you will put x as a 0 and y as a 10, and if you will add them, definitely you will be getting RHS, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so this is another possible answer. How beautifully you used to find the answer when you were having equation like in class 8, 5x is equals to 25. Okay, you used to say that x value will be 25 by 5, that is 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
There you were getting one and only one answer, one and only one answer, one and only one value for x. Okay, here you are having x also, y also. You don't know how to solve because in your previous class you have learned that we should not add unlike terms, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Cannot add x and y. Okay, we are not able to do the addition and we don't know how to solve it. Even I don't know for now how to solve it. Okay, so how we are finding the solution? Randomly. How randomly? We are just checking that what can be taken for x and what can be taken for y, so that both added together will give us 10. And it is really simple. Okay, you can say x is 2 and y is 8. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Or maybe x is 1 and y is 9. Okay, or maybe so many different possibility you will be able to say. Okay, not just with positive number, let me show you with negative numbers also. Okay, I can also say that x is -1. Okay, x is a integer which is -1 and y is another integer which is +11. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So how many possibilities there for x and y? So many possibilities are there. So many possibilities are there for x and y. We are not able to solve the equation, but for x and y, we can say so many possibilities are there. And that so many possibility, let me show it to you on the graph. So we have taken x plus y is equals to 10, right? Can you see the graph?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here only I want to tell you that, okay, you will be able to see all those points. Just a moment, no? So the first point, can you see x? Okay, yes, Khadija, coordinate geometry you have not done. See, the first one is called as x and the next one is y. Okay, can you see x can be 0 and y can be 10? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is true. Okay, what else? So the next point, let me show you. Can we say x is -10 and y is 20? Check it.
Yes.
It is true. This is also one of the possible x and y, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aleph, Afia, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me show you how many possible x and y are there. X can be 30 and y can be 40. Is it true? Is it true?
Yes, ma'am.
It is true. X can be 30 and y, x can be negative 30 and y can be 40. Okay, or maybe x can be negative 50 and y can be positive 60. And this way I'm just showing you positive or negative integers, but there are how many such possibility? Let me show you. Decimal number. Okay, another decimal number. These all are the possibility. If you will sit and you will calculate, okay, by putting it on left side, definitely you are going to get the right side. Okay, these all the points, these all the points, are you getting it? So how many possible x and y? We will answer that there are infinitely many possibilities there for x and y. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
I am not telling you to memorize it, that there is infinitely many x and y. I am telling you to feel it. Are you feeling it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Afia and Aleph, are you feeling it? That there are infinitely many possible x and y, which when we will take and when we will do the calculation on left hand side, we will be getting the right hand side, right? So we are not able to solve this equation. Okay, solving this equation is not possible, but we can say what are the possible x and y. Okay, but that too is not limited, because you can just see a portion of this line. This line is going on till infinity in the upward direction, and in downward direction also this line is going on and going on and going on. Okay, I keep on scrolling and you will find that the line is not ending. That's why we say in your NCRT, in your exercise, you will find this statement, and now you tell me, is it making sense or not?
Yes, ma'am.
In your NCRT, let me write what will be written. It will be written, if you are having a linear equation, any linear equation in two variables, then that will contain infinitely many solutions. Getting it? That means so many x and y will be possible. X can be this. See, okay, if you are not understanding, let me relate it with one variable. Okay, suppose you are having 5x is equals to 25, same example, and you are solving and solving and solving and telling me x is 5. Can you see? You want to tell me that here, okay, forget about this scenario. You want to tell me here, when I will put 5 in the left side, we will be getting right hand side. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? When x we will be taking 5 in the left hand side, then we will be getting the right hand side. Hence, x equals to 5 is one and only one solution. Because you will take any other number for x, any other number, you will not get right hand side over here. any other number, okay, any negative number, positive number, decimal number, okay, fractional number, you are not going to get the right hand side. Okay, you will be getting right hand side when you will take x equals to 5. So here we were finding the solution, and we were using systematic, okay, these steps we were using for finding the solution. But in our case we don't know how to add this two. In our case the biggest challenge is how to add this two. Okay, how to find the x value, how to find the y value. So we are going reverse way. What is that reverse way? Randomly, let's choose any x, let's choose any y, any number, decimal number, negative number, positive number, any number. Just add them and see, are we getting 10? If we are getting 10, that is the solution. Getting it? Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here also we are doing the same thing. Okay, but there we of proper steps we were following, proper, okay, rules we have learned. But here no rule is there, nothing is there, we are not able to find the solution. Okay, and here one more thing we realize, there one and only one x value we were getting, x equals to 5 was the one and only one possibility which was giving us the RHS. But here so many possibilities, so many possibilities, so many possibilities we are getting. And that's why here, let me open NCRT, you will find this statement and you have to mark the option. Just a moment, I am sharing another screen. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 1 is asking us which one of the following option is true and why. Y is equals to 3x plus 5. Is it linear equation in two variable?
Yes.
Yes. It has a unique solution. Unique means one and only one. Okay. It has one solution, it has two solution, or it has infinitely many solutions.
Infinite.
Infinitely many solutions. Everyone, Aleph, Afia, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
You take any linear equation. You take any linear equation. If two variable you will see, then infinite solution. Okay, we won't be able to find just one and only one solution because there are infinitely many solutions. If anybody will ask me that what will be the solution for this one, I will give a set of x and y. Okay, maybe I will say that x is 6 and y is negative 6. Okay, 6 plus 6 minus of minus 6 will be plus 6 and 12 we will be getting. This is one of the solution. This is one of the solution. From there infinitely many solution, I am telling one solution. Your Aleph, I will ask Aleph, his answer can be different. I will ask Afia, your answer can be different. I will ask Khadija, your answer can be different. Because there are infinite, and from that infinite you have to just tell me anything which is coming in your mind for now. Crystal clear so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so from now onward, just keep it in mind, this type of MCQ will come. Okay, why it is written, why there is infinitely many solution? Because okay, so many possible x and y values are there which will satisfy our equation. Satisfying means when you will drop it in the left side, you will be getting the right side, like that. Okay, it will make your equation true. So many possible x and y values are there. That's why there are infinitely many solutions. Okay, even though we are not able to solve the equation, then also we are understanding that so many possibilities are there in linear equation in one variable, which you have done in class 8. You were getting only one x value over there because only one was possible over there. Okay, now we have not covered this part as well in the last class. So this type of word problem you will be getting. Okay, and you have to represent it in linear equation in two variable. Just you have to represent it by understanding the situation, just like a word problem, story problem, which you have done till now. Okay, here also we are having a word problem. We have to we have to create the equation from here. And yeah, not random equation, a linear equation in two variable we have to create. Let's read it. So while making such equation, you will always find two, okay, two situation will be given to you. I mean, the cost of pen, cost of pencil, cost of banana, cost of orange, cost of watermelon, cost of two things will be mentioned. Okay, let's read it. The cost of a notebook and a cost of a pen. Can you see that? Notebook, pen, two categories there. Getting it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we will be assuming always that let's call that the okay cost of notebook is X rupees and cost of pen is Y rupees. Okay, till now we have not read the statement. Okay, we need to read it properly. We need to understand it. But without even reading, first we have to have a quick okay overview and how many categories are there. Notebook, pen, so one is X, another is Y. It is cost, so cost of notebook and cost of pen we have assumed. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will read. Okay, now we will read it carefully. Let's read it. Cost of a notebook is twice means two times. Cost of a notebook is twice. Is means, this is means is equals to. In mathematics, whenever is will be there, no, you just write is equal to. So cost of a notebook, according to our assumption, cost of a notebook is X. Is means is equals to. Twice means two times. Cost of a pen, this. Okay, we ended up getting a linear equation in two variable, which is X equals to 2Y. Is it a linear equation in two variable? Of course it is linear equation in two variable. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
In last class only we were discussing equality sign, it is equation. Are you able to see two variable? Yes. That means it is linear equation in two variable. Okay. So we have created linear equation in two variable and which was really simple. Really easy, right? Was it difficult?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you will say let's assume that the cost of notebook is X rupees and cost of a pen is Y rupees. Then according to the situation given, X equals to 2Y and we are done. Okay, let's move. Hint is also given for this particular question. See, hint was not required at all. Okay, let's do these type of question. Few more question because in your NCRT only one question is there from here. But in your question paper, if you will give any test or assessment from here, in our Learnivio or in your school, okay, anytime you will give, you will be getting so many different type of word problem where you just have to create a linear equation in two variable. Just you have to create and you have to leave it. That is your answer. Okay, so just a moment, I am sharing another screen and we'll be solving few questions like that. Just give me a moment. Just a moment, no. We are having a PDF. Yes, I got it. Let's do it. Okay. So here the statement says that Rohan's age after 5 years will be half of its father's age at that time. Okay, we have to create a linear equation in two variable according to the from by using the given condition. So whenever you are doing age based question, age related question, always you have to assume, okay, here or anywhere, whenever you will encounter age related question, you have to start from here. Okay, always you will assume that, let's say, Rohan present age and his father's present age. No matter what is written in the question, you will start your assumption from the present age. Whatever be the name of the person, if it is Rohan, if it is Sneha, if it is whatever, how be the name of the person. Okay, if two people are there, if three people are there, okay, whatever be the number of person, you have to start from the assumption of the present age. Always you will be assuming that the present age of this person is this and present age of that person is this. Present age, I'm focusing on present age. Okay, you have to focus on present age. So you are assuming, let's assume that present age of Rohan is X and father's present age is Y. Now whatever is written in the question, now we will read it carefully. So once I saw the name, Rohan is there, father is there, these two person involved in this question, one is X, another is Y. But what is X? Present age is X. Okay, Rohan's present age is X, his father's present age is Y. Okay, this way you have to do, okay, you have to take the assumption this way only in class 10 as well and in future as well, because your question will be talking about, okay, 10 years back, 10 years hence, okay, in future, after 10 year, this will happen, that will happen. So you will always start from the present. Now we have taken the assumption in present. Now we will read the question that Rohan's age after 5 years. After 5 years, that means can we say after 5 years, Rohan's age will be x plus 5? Can we say? Whatever is your current age, just think your age in your mind. Okay, can we say after 1 year, your age will be, okay, that x plus 1? Yes or no? After 2 year, from there, okay, from there, directly after 2 year, your age will be x plus 2. Yes or no? Getting it? Suppose I am deleting this 1 year and directly I am saying after 2 year. Can we say your age will be x plus 2? Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
After 3 year, it will be x plus 3. After 4 year, it will be x plus 4. After 5 year, it will be x added with 5. Yes or no?
Yes, mom.
And same thing will happen if you will go back. Okay, so your current age, you can just recall what is your age currently. Okay, your age, suppose I am saying your current age is y. 1 year before, 1 year ago, your age was y minus 1. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, what about 2 year ago? It was y minus 2. What about 3 year ago? It was y minus 3. Making sense?
yes, mom.
Okay, so you always have to take the assumption of present age. Now, whatever the question says, ago, 10 year, okay, in future. So let's read the question. Rohan's age after 5 year. So from present after 5 year, okay, current age is x. After 5 year, it will be x plus 5, right?
Yes,
Okay, will be means again is equals to, okay, will be equals to half of his father age at that time. See, his father age after 5 year, father age will be y plus 5, and it will be half of that. Getting it? Can you see this equation? Half of the father's age.
Yes, ma'am.
This is your linear equation in two variable. Yes, you have to arrange it systematically. How? You will be taking this 2 to the other side. You will be multiplying this way. 2 multiplied with x plus 5 is equals to y plus 5. Getting it? Now, distributive property will help you doing the multiplication, and you will say it is 2x plus 10 is equals to y plus 5. That means you will be having 2x minus y, and this 5 also you can take to this side. Okay, you will end up writing it in a standard form, which is great. Okay, so 10 minus 5, that is 0. That means 2x minus y plus 5 is equals to 0. This is your linear equation in two variable. Getting it?
yes,
LF, is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Anywhere, any confusion? Anyone having any confusion?
No.
Okay, so this is how we will be dealing with this type of question. You learned only one scenario in your book. Okay, just cost of pen, cost of pencil. Okay, notebook, that. But this type of question you will encounter in the question paper. Now let me introduce few more scenario. let's make, okay, linear equation in two variable from the given condition. Let's read it. Okay, so when 1 is added to numerator of a fraction and 2 is subtracted from denominator of the same fraction, okay, then the fraction becomes 9 by 30. Whenever you will encounter fraction based question, two category here also you are having, you have to start the assumption from here that suppose we are having a fraction where numerator is x and denominator is y. Getting it? Whenever you will encounter age related question, you will start from the present age assumption. Whenever you will encounter fraction question, you will always say the numerator is x and the denominator is y. Actually, according to our assumption, the fraction is x by y. Getting it? Now here it says when 1 is added to the numerator, that means we have assumed x plus y. But according to the situation, when 1 is added to the numerator and 2 is subtracted from the denominator, the fraction becomes 9 by 13. Are you getting it? So these are a special type of question. Today you are learning it and you will be, okay, you will encounter such question in class 9, in class 10, in class 11, in class 12. Whenever you will see fraction related question is there, directly you will take x by y. Whenever you will see, anytime, anywhere. This is the first time you are doing it and then you will always such question you will encounter. Getting it? So whenever you will have fraction based question, always start with the assumption that numerator is x and the denominator is y. See, the same thing I explained to class 10 student also, because they are also having pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay, so they get such question and over there they find the solution as well. But in your syllabus, we just have to create the equation. Just that much is there. Getting it? Is it making sense, Aleph, Afia, Khadija, or you are not getting at all? Read the statement. If you want to read it by yourself one time to understand the whole situation, please read it. When 1 is added to the numerator, your numerator is x. You are adding 1. And 2 is subtracted from the denominator. So according to your assumption, denominator is y. And you are subtracting 2. Okay, then the fraction becomes 9 by 13. X minus 1, x plus 1 by y minus 2. Then the fraction, okay, according to me, according to us, okay, this is the fraction. But according to question, it became 9 by 13. So we will say is equals to 9 by 13, right? Right?
Yes,
Get
ma'am.
it? 11 here. Now we need to create the equation properly. Okay, this is not our final answer. It's our responsibility to write it in a standard form. Okay, if not in a standard form, then we can also leave it in that form. But the denominator and all should not be there. Okay, so we will be doing the multiplication. This 13 we can take to LHS. It will be 13 into x plus 1. And this 9 we will, okay, keep them as it is. Y minus 2 we will be bringing to the RHS. So 9 into y minus 2. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will open the bracket. It will be 13x. It will be plus 13. It will be 9y. It will be minus 18. Let's continue. It will be 13x. It will be minus 9y plus 13 as it is, just 18. And just do the simplification and write your final equation. That is your linear equation in two variable. you have created just by reading the given, okay, word problem, or just according to the given situation. This is the equation we are having. Clear so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the third category. See, you will also encounter this type of question, that if 2 comma 0, okay, is a solution of the linear equation, two x plus 3y is equals to k, then find k. Actually, this question I'll be taking in the next class, okay? Because if I will start, we won't be able to cover it completely in today's class, okay? So this